Arduino Uno, joystick module, breadboard, servo motor, jumper wires, battery, now connect the 4 jumper wires to joystick module. Now connect the ground and 5 volts to breadboard from Arduino. Now connect the 5 volts and ground wire of the servo motor to breadboard. Connect the joystick module, ground and 5 volts wire to breadboard. Connect 2 other jumper wires to Arduino to A1 and A0 pin. Connect the output wire of the servo motor to pin number 9. Now connect the 12 volts power jack to Arduino. Let's see the output of it. Yeah, it's working great. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.